Hey guys, today we'll be opening up a hot corner box. This is a hobby box with essentially 2 hits in it, guaranteed. There's 4 packs, it's all baseball related, so yeah, let's dive in. All right. Okay, it looks like just a bunch of random packs. Okay, and then I guess they already just have a hit just slid in there. So what is this? Luis Castillo, and then it's got a piece of his jersey from when he was at the Marlins. Cool. Player worn. Get close up with that. All right, not bad. Looks like it's from 2001, so got an older insert, but let's see what else we got here. So we have 2 Topps Allen and Ginter packs here, 2019, and then a Pinnacle 2013 pack, and then what is this? Just a big league pack, I'm assuming. But there should be another hit somewhere in here, so we got 2 of these. Start off with one of these. Gonna be completely honest with y'all, I do not know baseball players, so forgive me if I mispronounce these guys. There was something behind here. Did not expect that to fall out, whatever this is. All right, completely confused as to what this is. New to the zoo, Tiger Cub. All right, whatever. Keep going. And all right, looks like we got our second hit here. And who's this? Yeah, sorry, do not recognize who that guy is. Johnny Guito. Again, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. It's a pitcher for the San Francisco Giants, but looks like we got another jersey swatch here. Not bad. All right, cool, cool. I like this pack. So we've gotten 2 hits. Obviously, my luck's looking a little bit better here. Let's go with second pack here. Might as well finish this out, and who knows? Maybe we'll get another hit. Another one of these cards. This one actually has a guy on it. I don't get what the deal with those little cards are. It kind of remind me of those tobacco cards from way back in the day. This one's got his, I don't know, his sign, a Taurus. That's interesting. All right. Opening up the big league pack now. All right, got a triple there. It's kind of cool. I dig the artwork on that. Oh, that's awesome. It's like back to back. Check that out. Okay. All right, our last pack here. Yeah, they keep flipping these cards around. All right, and that is it. So out of the hot corner box break, looks like we ended up with just the 2 hits as promised, with the Luis Castillo maybe, and the Johnny Gueto. Again, I apologize for botching these names, but yeah, 2 cool hits. I like it. Might hold on to these for a little while. If any of y'all are interested in taking these cards off my hands, feel free to message me or comment on the video. Thank y'all for watching, and be on the lookout for another unboxing video coming out very soon.